Hello everyone. From this video onwards, we will learn a bit about data modeling in Power BI, how to define relationships between different tables, how to add columns, how to define the primary key. But in this video, we will just learn how to define relationship between different tables. So I've got this data here with me. This is the internet sales table, the data from internet sales table, and this is the data from dim date table. And this Excel file I've uploaded to this website, and the name of the file is 25 creating a relationship between tables. I will leave a link to this blog post so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So let's start. So we will start by going to the Home tab and saying Get Data from Excel, and I'll just point it to this file, and I'll click on Open, and I'll select dim date and fact internet sales table and click Load. And we've got this data available with us, so for dim date and fact internet sales, and we can browse the data also here. But what we need to do is, let's just go back, and these keys should not be summarizable. I can make the changes, but for the moment I will just go and I'll go to the dim date table and change the calendar year, and I'll just go to the modeling tab and let's go here, and I'll just select calendar year, and on the modeling tab I'll just say don't summarize. Similarly for date key, I'll select that and say don't summarize. Similarly for fact internet sales table, I will join on the basis of order date. So I will again go and select that and say don't summarize. Let's go back to the relationships tab, and we will just define the relationship. So we will link the order date key to the date key, and the join gets created. Let's say if the join is not there, what happens? So let's say I go here and I try to drag the sales amount. So let's say I select the sales amount, and then I select the year, calendar year. The moment I select that, you can see that it doesn't show me the data as it should by year. It is showing me the same amount because the relationship doesn't exist. So it just shows me the same amount for all the years. So this amount, and when I use calendar year, it just shows me the entire amount. For each of the year, it just shows me the same amount. So it's very important to define the relationship. We'll go to the relationship tab and define the relationship between order date and date key, and we'll double click it, and you can see the relationship order date key. And if we go back to our graph, you can see that now the sales amount is being divided by years correctly, and it is not showing the same sales amount for all the years. So in this video, we learned how to define a relationship between two tables in the Power BI desktop, and what happens if we don't have the relationship defined between two tables. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. I will be taking other topics and this topic in further detail in following videos, but I just wanted to take you through joining two different tables or two different data sets and getting results from them in Power BI desktop. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thanks.